Next section, the modern family. What are the features of modern family? First, decrease the control of marriage contract. Second, change relationship. Third, laxity, lack of discipline in sex, relationship. Four, economic independency, mainly economic independence of women. Five, smaller family. The number of family members is less than olden family. 6. Decline of religious control. 7. Separation of non-essential functions. 8. Fellow-centric family. The children tend to dominate. 9. Decay of patriarchal family to matriarchal family. Causes of decay of patriarchal family. Economic factors, industrial revolution, cultural factors, demographic institutions. Why modern families are unstable? The people find their education, their work and their recreation outside the family. If women can get job which make them independent, what are the issues facing family today? Busyness, absence of parent care, lack of discipline, financial pressures, lack of communication, negative media influences, balance of work and family, divorce. What are the factors leads to divorce? A. Decay of social values. B. Less social protection. How to avoid divorce and family crisis? 10 steps. First, all feeling of resentment, anger should be abandoned or neglected. Second, needless irritants and antagonists should be eliminated. Third, find a way to do new joyful things together. 4. Have children, but by mutual agreements. 5. Discuss your vital family problems. 6. Understand your mate. 7. Discover area of agreement and develop together joint programs. 8. Discover your vital family problems with your mate. 9. Agree to live. Allow to live. 10. Put the welfare of your family first. How to reconstructing the family? A. Better marriages. B. Mental adjustment. Detail about better marriages. First, building of union. Second, decision must be made on the basis of what is good. 3. No demand should be made. 4. Too great concentration should be avoided. 5. Complete trust in each other. 6. Hold on to the present, nor seeking to bring back to the past. Each moment is good and now in itself. 7. There should be willing to grow. 8. Instead of an adolescent type blind love, there should be mature affection. 9. Marriage is life adjustment. Detail about mental adjustment. First, holding frank discussions. Second, elimination of needless arguments. Third, being just, not expected to, always justice. 4. Working out plan together. 5. Avoiding quarrels or non-essentials. 6. Enlarge area of agreement. 7. Playing the role of good sportsman. What are the role of nerds on broken family? Health education, family health education, psychological support to family members, promote social support, increase family ties, counseling and guidance, teach about home economics, promote mental adjustment, advise tolerance and resilience. Thank you. Have a good day.